product liability and product liability lawyers. What do they do? What's this about? So people hear this all the time, mostly in the States, but it occurs in Canada also. A product liability lawyer is a lawyer who specializes in litigation. That means going to court and fighting for somebody in situations where a person's gotten hurt. So let's say you buy a product, like a ladder, and the ladder is somehow defective and it collapses and you fall down and get hurt. Those are the kind of situations where you can go to a lawyer who will then pursue the company in terms of damages for you. Your cost of getting better, the cost for pain of suffering. There's a whole number of factors depending on how badly you've been injured. Product and injury lawyers do all kinds of different products. Everything from bottles of water. Yes, there's case law of someone who found a fly in bottled water and then was sick, and that was actually quite a big settlement because they had a lot of proven psychological damages that happened after that. Also things like cars, which normally falls under a car accident, but if it's just a product liability where the product is defective, that can be different. Every product you have in your home, sometimes there are electrical leakages, in which case you have electricity that gives you a shock from a product. If you have been injured due to a product, ranging from household appliances to pressure vessels to gas tanks or propane tanks or barbecues, then find out what your rights are before you settle. Sometimes it can be as simple as an email or a letter demanding payment for your injuries, and sometimes it can be more substantive. Even myself personally, at one point, I purchased a combo pack of like saws, and it came with a flashlight and all kinds of things. The product in that case, the flashlight got too hot and actually caused a small fire. And when I went to the company, they said, oh, well, we probably should have put a warning label on that to say, don't put this in contact with anything flammable. They now have done that, but I wanted them to pay for the cost of a new couch in that case. They did, it was great, but sometimes it's not so easy and companies fight back. If you're having problems and need help with the insurance in terms of product liability, call our product liability lawyers because we're here to help you.